So whenever any integral is in the form of x square dx by x square cos square x plus b square sin square x or degree 2 in terms of whole square, so we have to multiply sec square x in the numerator denominator and the multiple of tan x as t. That should be our target. For example, I am showing you one particular example. Suppose dx by 3 sin square x plus 4 cos square x. First of all, what we'll do? We'll multiply by the sec square x and generate tan x equal to t. Total divided by 3 tan square x plus 4. Now we'll do tan x equal to t. Therefore, sec square x dx equal to dt. Therefore, we are getting here dt by 3t square plus 4. So, take 3 common, dt by t square plus 2 by root 3 whole square, and finally 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Therefore, we are getting here 1/3 1 by a 1 by 2 by root 3 tan inverse t by 2 by root 3 plus c. For example, if I just tell you one such question, that is integration dx by 2 sin square x plus 4. Once again, we will multiply by the sec square x in the numerator denominator. What will we get here? We are getting here, so sec square x, and if we see the denominator, 2 sin square x, sec square x, that is sin square x by cos square x, that is 2 tan square x, 2 tan square x plus 4 sec square x. Sec square x we can write 1 plus tan square x. So I am doing directly. Therefore, sec square x dx 2 tan square x plus 4 tan square x, so 6 tan square x plus 4. Now we can take 6 common. Therefore, we can write here sec square x dx. So we can take 6 common. Therefore, tan square x plus 4 by 6. 4 by 6 मतलब 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is root 2 by 3 whole square. Now I can write that tan x equal to t. Therefore, sec square x dx equal to dt. Therefore, 1/6 dt by t square plus root 2 by 3 whole square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay, one more question. Suppose the sum becomes integration dx by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x whole square. What will do? Once again, we will multiply by the sec square x. So integration of sec square x dx, that is 2 sec square x will enter in the form of sec x in the whole square. Okay. Therefore, 2 sin x sec x is tan x, 2 tan x plus 3 cos x sec x 1. So directly I can take that 2 tan x plus 3 equal to t. So 2 sec square x dx equal to dt. Okay, everybody? So we did it. So we are getting here sec square x dx is dt by 2 by t square, so the half t to the power minus 2 dt, that is half t to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. In this way, we proceeded.